to another edition of Thunderdome!
We're on the boundary. 2 out only in the first 10 overs. There's around the wicket goes Sony in a flash and miss outside the left stump side. As he comes around the wicket. Round the wicket. Right on.
There's one for you, Scotty.
Every time I said you got lucky.
And then Jim, you're Jim in his 70s, in great shape, married.
Jesus! The fuck?
Fucking hell. She wasn't maintaining, was
Engaged with your news briefing. China is under pressure to
Turn right.
headlines over a doctored photo of an Aussie soldier holding a knife to a child's throat.
Without them, I wouldn't be. When I'm here on this day.
Starting route, head southeast on Moore Avenue, then turn right. Turn right.
Fuck you, car. This bloke's doing a bit more than 100.
Yeah.
Motherfucker.
Fuck me! How about fuck you?
Out of the way, Dopey.
Specialist.
Minimum finance $1,000. Interest applies if you don't comply with terms and conditions. 60 equal monthly payments. Conditions, fees, exclusions apply.
Better, fresher, cheaper.
You got to go to Leisure Coast. Triple pack of fresh chickens, $11.99. Lamb cutlets, $25.99 a kilo. Save 20. Soccer ball hams, $7.99. 1 kilo.
Locals in need. Turn left, 7 Hills Road, then turn right, Old Windsor Road, Parramatta. In 90 metres, turn right and follow signs to the A40.
You want to cut
Turn
the
right.
Fucker wants to cut the queue. Look about that way to red car just now.
Why fuck is it green then? Oh, the dot system is cool.
Oh,
What the fuck?
oh
Fuck's sake.
my god.
What the fuck are you doing?
Why are they coming so fast?
What's the corner? Fucking
Stay in your own fucking lane. I
Hey.
wouldn't pass you anyway.
drive slowly, you cunt.
Fuck off.
You fucking idiot. Retard. Dickhead. Fucking statistic you'll be. Fuck you.
Your badge, I want your weapon, I want your ass. Who in the fuck do you think you are?
Shit!
Remember that's not the right word, but it is.
Not always statements, so there's always exceptions to all of those. One thing you can try it if you can catch one and get a picture of it. Working. I just have to check. Just have to check my schedule as to.
Money for any personal possessions. Crown has confirmed to the Australian Stock Exchange it won't be opening the gaming floors at the new Barangaroo Hotel and Casino next month as planned, following the regulators.
How does
just got suggested Ado's ex-wife to a friend on Facebook.
Right up my
about 12 cents for the year, you know, well below last year's 5 cents, but still better than nothing. The banking regulator earlier this year had told all of our banks to search coordination point at Warburton. William Walls was found dead at Yarra Junction, which is in Melbourne, at Warburton. His death is not being treated as suspicious, and police will prepare the man.
Can you imagine my family that were living with her at the time, you know, to look after? I mean, a lot of it was disgusting misogyny, which is widespread in society, you'd have to say. Other parts of it, though, seem to very much press the city.
But in this city that we live in,
oh, fuck me.
it's one of the drills in our...
I'm in the big silver car.
Yeah, look, I totally...
The issues, one by one, commit a minute or two of each person that wants to have a say, and no more than 5 minutes to each point, and then...
To our face? It's not for you, it's for us. You shouldn't put the laptop right up in our face, because we have to keep going off mic. You're a lousy cheater, Mike. Chelsea, could you hear any...
养的兄弟算，你把钱都去算了给人。What the fuck are you doing?
Yep.
Oh, and break, fuck!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Like that. Okay. What? That's an unusual fucking spot to have a car. Have a car. Oh, no!
Yeah, well, you pulled out in front of me, you fudging idiot. I don't care, I've got all night, whatever.
Fucking hey, mates. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Fucking charge in front of a car. Very legal, Mr. Cyclist. Red arrow. Why did you cut off a fucking L-plate, you flat? Ah, see that?